Did you know you can get a job using coffee? Let me show you. Hi, I'm Elemi from Yeyeo Botanica. Welcome back. So great to see you all. Thank you for sharing us and coming back. And if this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Remember, we're www.yeyeo, and we're a spiritual wellness supplier, which is why I do videos about all things spiritual. And I'm Elemi. I want to shout out all my people from the Bahamas. Woo! Welcome. Today, while preparing to do my videos, Spirit says, do videos about the impact of coffee. And if you haven't seen my coffee magic video about speeding things up, definitely check that out in our channel under Supermarket Magic. But today, I'm going to show you how to get a job, opportunities, more hours, more clients using coffee. So let's get started. So now we're going to start with the foundation of this work. So we have about 6 ingredients. You can find the list of those ingredients in the video, but for now we're going to just start, right? So in this case, I'm using brown parchment. You can use brown paper if you like. You can also use white parchment. You can use a pencil, or like me, a Sharpie or a marker of some sort. So you're going to start, make your petition, keep it simple and to the point. So as an example, if you were self-employed, you would put something, your name, have whatever it is that you're doing this opportunity for. So if it's for more hours at work, to increase my hours, 2 per week. If it is that there's a particular position that you're going for and you know you can get it, please do not use this work for far-reaching things that are very difficult or out of your scope. Put it in things that are totally doable. If you are a person that you are looking for employment in a particular field, your name, now have X position. Do not write the name of the business, write the position you want. If it is that you're an entrepreneur, your name, have more customers. Okay? So in this case, name, have blank, right? So now that goes here. Coffee, regular coffee. It doesn't matter the brand. For all of you lovelies that contact me and say, Elemi, what brand? Coffee, right? Try not to make it like flavored coffees. Just stick to regular old-fashioned coffee, right? So here, you're going to cover. And so in my Coffee Magic video, I've had so many positive results that I've heard from all of you. People have gotten apartments, breakthrough on situations you were working on, because coffee is an accelerant, right? So a spiritual accelerant is great. This is why we drink coffee. Hey, I need to rev it up. I wake up in the morning. I need to get myself together. For those of you who are coffee drinkers, even if you're not a coffee drinker, this video is still for you. And I've done this very specifically. Spirit said this video to be done to help people to get new opportunities. For those of you who vend or do work like that, or you're on a website where you have clients that you're selling products to, this is also good and it's really good for vending. But if you're doing online vending, this is equally good as well. So now we've put down our petition. We've put coffee on top of it. So we here at the store, Yeyeo Botanica, yeyeobotanica.com, you can find this is coffee salt that we sell. So you can also use that because that's really, really good. What does they call it? Oh, that person's the salt of the earth. You know, I did a salt video talking about some wonderful uses of salt, how you can use that to really amplify things in your life. And it's great for cleansing, removing blockage. So we've put some coffee salt here, but here's some regular kitchen salt, just to show you a little variation if you want to do this work and you don't have coffee salt. I love you all and I want to help you to level your life up. So this is regular kitchen salt, right? Now, cornmeal. Woohoo! If you want me to do a cornmeal magic or cornmeal video, definitely comment for me because this channel is unique and I want to show you how to empower your life with using things that are easily accessible. Even though we are a spiritual and wellness supplier, so of course we're going to show you how to use some of the items that we also supply. So we have cornmeal. You're making your request, your prayer, right? Success, well-being, and so on. And you can also bathe with our soap that we have that have coffee essence in it. This is our Lucky Fast Luck soap, and it has coffee essence. So this is also really wonderful to amplify your work. Remember, I always tell you, connect yourself to your work. So there's a wonderful way to connect yourself to the work. And this is a coffee candle. It doesn't matter the brand, as long as it has coffee essence in it. This is fantastic to use with this work, which you can put in the middle if you choose to once you are complete. So now, my last wonderful thing for you is brown sugar. Brown sugar. And put some brown sugar. More isn't necessarily better. It's more important that it's there, right? I've made my own personal request here, so I'm going to put that underneath before we go too far. And I want to show you because even though it looks so perfect before, I don't really care because it's more important to me that I show you how to do this work. So now, I'm going to mix it all up. I just left this portion so you have an idea of what that looked like before. And you can mix it up, you're praying over it and so on, right? Put a little bit more cornmeal. And sugar is a sweetener, right? We could have a whole video just on that. This is for work, for abundance, prosperity, good things, but also to remove negativity that is stopping your success. Remember, I said that in this video. Okay, so now we've done that. We have our soap. I'm going to just put a little bit of this particular cologne. This is an option for you, but very impactful. Siete Macho. And I also have a coffee watch video that is great for you. So this is a sweet thing today, right? This is a sweet thing with the video. It's not mandatory, but for those of you who love botanicas, this is for you. And then lastly, my sweet, sweet, sweet thing for you today, for those of you who are really enthusiasts, so you can leave this, again, coffee candle, brown candle, coffee essence, go for it. So here we have our beeswax candle. Beeswax is wonderful for speeding things up, special favor, sweetening the process, right? So we're using that, but again, you could use the coffee candle that we had earlier or a brown candle. Then we've got here our Fast Luck handmade soap. This also has coffee essence to really, really push things along. So I would say, here's your work. Remember, the plate, do not remove the plate. Do not get rid of the plate. This is something that you can continue to use over time. You can add more to it. You can change the request underneath. But I would say also keep a copy of that request so that you're able to keep praying what is written under there. Good luck to you. Again, this is something you can find in supermarkets, supermarket ingredients, things that you're familiar with. It doesn't matter whether or not you drink coffee. This works because the source has made it so. And see you soon, and good luck. There's so many things that we can find in the supermarket, and so, of course, I'm always down to do a video about easy things that you can use and easy things you can find. So I hope today's video gave you some ideas. You're going to try it, and you're going to get more opportunities, more money, and more hours in anything that you do to level up. And see you next time. Ashe, ashe, ashe.